What is up, guys? Welcome back to the episode with me, Tide Fishing. Today, me and my buddy Steve, we are heading up into Allegheny State Park. Gonna fish like a ditch. Link to the video, I did this before. He'll be right up here somewhere. Steve has never caught a brook trout, let alone on a fly rod. Steve has only caught, what do you say, rainbow trout on a fly rod. And he doesn't really fly fish. So I've been trying to get him to do this for like a year with me. And today we are finally doing it. This thing is maybe 3 feet wide. Like, especially right now when water's barely flowing. But it's a cold water spring and it's in the middle of the woods. It's gonna be a cold day today. So me and him are headed up there and wish us luck.
Oh, beautiful. Good one, too. Wow.
Yeah.
That is so gorgeous.
Yeah, dude. Told you. I don't know what type that is. You got one?
Yep.
That's a creek chub.
Oh, that's a creek chub.
Creek chub?
What a disappointment. Yep, creek chub.
That's brook chub. Creek chub?
Yeah.
That's a creek chub. Who cares? There you go. Where your hand, where your hand, where your hand.
No.
You kill it. Oh my God. Phil's first ever brook trout. That's a beautiful one, dude.
It is beautiful.
There goes releasing it.
Yo!
Told you.
Yes. Oh my gosh, Ty. I wish we had the net. Oh man.
Dude, that's a kegger. That's a tank.
That is beautiful. Wow.
Yeah. Smoke the white woolly bugger. Big rookie. Woo. That was sick.
Yeah, it was.
That was sick.
Hell yeah, man.
Try to get across. Got him. All right. Trout. It's a trout. Where your hands? The brookie.
Sweet.
Sick.
Oh, okay.
There he goes. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We didn't do as good as I did in the last video. Again, it was up there in the beginning. I caught one of my biggest brook trout, at least, probably my second biggest. Like, that thing was like 9 inches. Steve caught his first 2, which is sweet, good for him. He enjoyed it a lot. He was like, dude, I just got one. He was like, I could have been done fishing for the rest of the day. So that was sweet. Smoked a bunch of weed out there. So, you know, Steve, a little high ass. He was like, I want to see the scenic. I want to get high over the scenic. Well, the kid was stoned out of his mind. And so was I. Other than that, it was a good day, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. It means a lot. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next, what you guys want me to fish for. I kind of want to do some center pinning around like the Jenny for some smallmouths. I don't know, but Thank you guys for watching.